Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Jeff. We're here at Shop Talk talking about a new safety work light, the EW2025R, right in your eyes. It's a really versatile light. It gives you a bright, straight red line that's not a laser, so it doesn't burn your eyes, but it's bright enough to warn people to stay away from this place, okay? You see this? Death above, no death below. You want to stay inside the red line. Inside is the safety, outside, danger. It's a derivation from the EW2015R. We've added some power to the LEDs. We've added more LEDs. We've got aggressive with the optics to make it a tighter line. It's still 12 to 80 volt. The 2015 is meant for material handling space, kind of an indoor application. The 2025 is actually meant for an exterior application. So since we designed the EW25R to be mounted in the exterior application in the environment, it can be mounted anywhere on your vehicle. You can put it on a boom crane, put it on any apparatus attached to the vehicle, put it near an outrigger. You can put it a place where your crew member who you don't want to talk to or you want to stay 6 feet away from when you have a cup of coffee during your break. That's your marker line. Bang. EW2025R. Look at that. Look at this dope ass heatsink fins. Look at that. Breather. So in these optics, there's 2 optics built into one. So it really refracts the light and bends it to the positions that we want, makes it nice, bright, and tight. Nice, bright, and tight. The EW2025R is not so impressive in the lumen count. What we want to focus on is peak beam intensity. This is a 1500 lux. It's a bright safety line, and it is very tightly focused and very bright for where you're putting the light. For more information, visit our website, echoesg.com. Thanks for your time.